Hello and welcome to the online viewing for this lovely substantial semi-detached property, 80 Colebourne Road. Lovely popular location. We have a driveway here for off-road parking leading to the attached garage. The property's also been extended to the rear. A lovely dining kitchen. It's a good sized garden as well to the rear of the property. Okay, then moving into the property, and we have this lovely spacious hallway here which leads through to the stairs going up to the first floor. There's also a useful built-in understairs storage cupboard. And then down here we have two reception rooms, as well as the breakfast kitchen, utility room and ground floor WC. So starting with the first reception room here at the front of the property. Lovely big bay window. And then across to the second reception room, where we have double doors going out into the rear garden. Lovely log burning stove. And there we can see the open aspect as well beyond the garden. And then over to the breakfast kitchen. A lovely space through here with Velux windows, double doors and windows, all providing a good deal of natural light. Well fitted units and work surface space. There's also an integrated dishwasher. And then just across the way, and we have the ground floor cloakroom with WC and corner wash basin. And then the utility room with wall-mounted gas boiler, another Velux window, space for appliances, and a door going through to the garage. So then, quick look in the garage here, where we have gas and electric meters, double doors going back out onto the driveway. Have a sink in the corner there with taps, and then there's a door which leads out into the garden. Okay, so here we are on the first floor, and we have 3 bedrooms, ensuite and bathroom, and then we have stairs going up again. So first bedroom here, which faces the rear aspect to the property. Lovely open aspect from here, and we go straight into the ensuite, which has a fully tiled corner shower cubicle, wash basin and WC. So nice size double room here. And then across to another double bedroom. This one having a bay window to the front aspect. Currently used as a workroom, but certainly good size for a double bed. And then third bedroom, and again, good spacious room, window to the front aspect. And then over to the bathroom, which is of a particularly good size, having a large walk-in shower, WC, wash basin and P-shaped bath in the corner. Okay, then here we are in the top room. Lovely high ceiling. We have some built-in wardrobes into this room here as well. And lovely exposed timber beams, wooden flooring. And then again, having a view to the rear. Okay, so here we are outside in this lovely garden. Really good sized patio area, which then steps down into the main lawned garden, stocked surrounding flower bed borders, and then an archway which goes through to another garden area where we have raised vegetable beds. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you would like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact us as soon as you can. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.